Hi, today let's learn tone collocation. First, let's say the words starting with the first tone. First one is the first tone plus the first tone. 咖啡, 咖啡, it means coffee. So here, the second first tone pronounced remains unchanged. Now, let's say the first tone plus the second tone. 公园, 公园, it means park. So here, the second tone remains unchanged. Now, let's say the first tone plus the third tone. 机场, 机场, it means airport. Here, the latter half of third tone won't rise up. 机场, we don't say 机场. Understand? Next, let's say the first tone plus the fourth tone. 车站, 车站. So here, the fourth tone pronounced remains unchanged. So, we know when the first tone plus the first tone, second tone, and the fourth tone, the pronunciation remains unchanged. But when a first tone plus the third tone, the latter half of the third tone won't rise up. Okay, now let's say the words beginning with the second tone. First, let's say the second tone plus the first tone. 时间, 时间, it means time. So, the pronunciation remains unchanged. Next, let's say the second tone plus the second tone. 银行, 银行, it means bank. So here, the second tone remains unchanged. Next, let's say the second tone plus the third tone. 词典, 词典, it means dictionary. So here, the latter half of the third tone won't rise up. We don't say 词典, 词典. We say 词典, 词典. Understand? Okay, next, let's say the second tone plus the fourth tone. 蓝色, 蓝色, it means blue. Here, the second fourth tone remains unchanged. So we know when the second tone plus the first tone, second tone, and the fourth tone, the pronunciation remains unchanged. But when the second tone plus the third tone, the latter half of the third tone won't rise up. Okay, now let's say the words starting with the third tone. First one, let's say the third tone plus the first tone. 手机, 手机, it means mobile phone. Here, the first tone remains unchanged. Next, let's say the third tone plus the second tone. 手镯, 手镯, it means bracelet. Here, the second tone remains unchanged. Next, let's say the third tone plus the third tone. 手表, 手表, Here, the first third tone changed into the second tone. 手表. So we don't say 手表, we say 手表. Understand? Next, let's see the third tone plus the fourth tone. 手套,手套. It means gloves. So here, the pronunciation remains unchanged. Now we see a third tone plus the first tone, second tone, and fourth tone. The pronunciation remains unchanged. But when a third tone plus a third tone, the first third tone should be changed into the second tone. Now let's see the words starting with the fourth tone. First one, let's see the first tone plus the first tone. 面包,面包. It means bread. So here, the first tone is no change. Okay, we see next, the fourth tone plus the second tone. 面条,面条. It means noodles. So here, the second tone remains unchanged. Okay, next, let's say the fourth tone plus the third tone. 电脑,电脑. It means computer. So here, the third tone remains unchanged. Last one, let's say the fourth tone plus the fourth tone. 电话,电话. It means mobile phone or fixed phone. Here, the fourth tone remains unchanged. So now, we know when the fourth tone plus the first tone, second tone, third tone, and the fourth tone, the pronunciation are all remains unchanged. Now, let's learn some simple single component characters. First one, E. E. It means number 1. Next, R. R. It means number 2. Next, 10. 10. It means number 10. Next, 8. 8. It means number 8. First one, 3. 3. It means number 3. 6. 6. It means number 6. 口. 口. It means mouse. 见. 见. It means to see. Okay, see you next time. Bye.